problem was that this LG, this big LG window AC unit needed to be recharged or some fresh freon. I was asked about a year ago to do this. I looked at the unit and I could not figure out how did you even get inside of it. It didn't make any sense. But recently I was asked again. And if I could not do this, another one was going to be purchased, which I thought would be a waste of money if it's a simple just a recharge problem. So I began to be more persistent. Finally, I got the unit open. This unit opens from the front. There are 2 screws in the rear at the bottom. There are 2 screws at the front, at the bottom on each side. And there are another set of screws holding on the front cover right below the filter, where you take the filter out. Once that's done, the unit slides forward out of its casing. To service this, or to refill it with freon, you can't. It's a sealed unit. But I found out you can buy a kit, a piercing kit, and install this kit on the low side of the line inside of the unit with only 2 little hex bolts. Amazing. The cost about $3 for this little piercing kit. You're also going to need a recharge line that's designed for this window unit. The one that's designed for the auto, the cap is not made for that. But this one needs to screw on and be recharged that way. But once you get the piercing unit installed, the cap, you're going to have to take this pin. There's a pin. You slide inside of the cap, very small. Or you can take the pin and put it right on the tip of the piercing unit and put the cap on top of it. Turn the cap. It's going to push a pin that's inside of the piercing unit into the line. That's going to puncture the line. It's designed that way. Once that's done, you're going to let off the cap and the pin can be discarded. The cap can be put back on. You have to see it to understand it, but real simple process. Once you back off of that cap, just a small amount of freon is going to come out. That's it. It's over. You're going to take and connect your freon to your recharge hose. Take the hose, connect it to the piercing unit. You're going to take your freon winding tip. You're going to pierce the can. You're going to hold it, leave it right there. Turn the unit on, put it on high, then unwind the freon pin and let it flow, the freon flow into the unit. And the can's going to get cold as the freon gets released, or the hose you're going to see frost on the hose. This hose comes with a gauge in the center. Once you connect it to the freon and to the AC unit, you're going to see the gauge move. Let you know when to stop. After doing all that, just simply take your charging hose off, put the cap on, you're done with that part. Making sure that you clean that unit, clean the grills, clean the filter. scrub it down. It's important that those grills are clean. Slide the unit back in, put the face back on, screw it down, you're done. How simple is that? It was so cheap. The piercing unit, about $3. The hose, about $13 on eBay. Problem, solution. The recipe tool, the LG window AC. This is how you recharge this unit. That's a sealed unit. Instead of calling a tech, this can be done yourself.